Greetings everyone, welcome to your own channel, Manoj Mishra Genius Labs. After huge success of PYQs, we are starting a new series which is of DPPs on all the topics of grade 11th and 12th, and we'll be solving a lot of DPPs in this series. So keep watching these DPPs which will practice all the concepts in the minimum time duration. Let's start in that sequence. Question number 1. This is the topic redox reaction, we can say oxidation, reduction and all. Question 1. The correct order of reducing power of हैलाइड आयन इज ओके हैलाइड आयन की रिड्यूसिंग पावर का क्या सही सीक्वेंस है, यानी सबसे ज़्यादा रिड्यूसिंग पावर किसकी होगी, फिर दूसरा और तीसरा। तो सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका, I माइनस Br माइनस Cl माइनस एंड F माइनस, एंड द रीजन इज हायर E0 ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल वैल्यू, राइट। कर लोगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. द रिएक्शन 3ClO माइनस गिविंग ClO3 माइनस एंड Cl माइनस. ClO minus is in which state? Plus 1 state. ClO3 minus is in plus 5 and Cl minus is in minus 1. So we are starting with plus 2 and then going to the other states, right? Minus 2 plus 1 to other states. So if you observe, one is increase in state, other is decrease in state. Hence, what will be our answer? It is called disproportionation reaction. Question number 3. The oxidation number of S in Na2S4O6 is, if you draw the structure of Na2S4O6, you will have S double bond S, right? That kind of structure you will draw. And if you see the overall value, the average value, it will come 5/2, okay, which is 2.5. या पूरा solve भी कर सकते हो. Na is plus 1, सल्फर के लिए आप x मान लो, O minus 26 कर लो, आप आंसर निकाल सकते हो. Question number 4. Oxidation is a process which involves, oxidation में क्या होता है? Easy question. De-electronation, removal of electron is oxidation. Reduction is electronation. Addition of electron is electronation. Question number 5. A student states a heating of limestone is an oxidation process. The reason he gives that an oxide of metal is being produced on heating. Which one is correct? Okay. तो इसका ऑप्शन ध्यान से पढ़िए. इसने रीजन दिया कि ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस है और ये भी बोल रही है कि ऑक्साइड ऑफ द मेटल फॉर्म हो रहा है, तो ये ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. Statement, reason, both are true, both are wrong. What is the correct answer? It's a decomposition reaction. It's not redox reaction because calcium के स्टेज में है +2, कार्बन के स्टेज में है +4, राइट. सो वो स्टेट्स कहीं भी चेंज नहीं हो रही, सारी स्टेजेस सेम है, जस्ट एक decomposition है थर्मल का, राइट. इट्स नॉट अ redox reaction. कर सकते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व. Remaining we'll see in the next session. So keep watching, liking, subscribing and sharing. Thank you.